Most promo videos are just bad. They're either way too long, way too generic, or they feel like an obvious ad. And the biggest problem is they don't actually make people care. So I wanted to test something. What if you could take one clear message and turn it into a short, watchable promo video that actually feels native to how people consume content right now? Before I show you anything, here is the video that I made.
Most businesses think their email marketing is working. It's not. Your emails are going to spam. Your automations are outdated, and your campaigns feel like they were built in 2018. So even if you have a big list, you're leaving a lot of revenue on the table. That's where Inbox Army comes in. Inbox Army is a full-service email marketing agency that actually handles everything: strategy and campaign management, email and SMS automation, template design and coding, ESP migration and setup, and deliverability optimization. They don't just send emails. They fix the entire system behind your email revenue. So your emails land in inboxes, look better, convert more, and run automatically. If email is even a small part of your business, it's probably worth fixing. Check out Inbox Army and see what your email should actually be doing.
All right, so that video was made from a single script for a service business. There was no editing timeline, I didn't have to dig through stock footage, and I didn't have to use After Effects. I just used one input and turned it into a finished short. And I'm not saying that this replaces real video production, but for 90% of founders or service providers, this is honestly way closer to what they actually need. So let's break down how I made it and where this actually makes sense. Here's the issue with most AI-generated videos right now. The visuals don't match what's being said, the pacing feels completely random, and the end result doesn't actually feel like something you'd post. It feels like a demo or something that you tried to throw together in Canva, not true content. And that's why most people use these tools once and then never touch them again. And honestly, while making this video, I've been thinking about this a lot more. The biggest problem isn't that people can't make videos, it's that they don't know the kind of video to make in the first place. Like, if you're a founder or running a service business, you probably already know that you should be posting content, but then you sit down to actually make something and it's like, do I explain everything? Do I talk about my offer? Do I try to make it look super neat and polished and professional? And then you end up overthinking it. What I've been noticing is the stuff that actually works right now is way simpler than people think. It's usually just one idea, one clear point, something like, here's the biggest mistake I see people making with email marketing, or here's why most agencies don't get good results. And then the promo part kind of just happens naturally. You explain the problem, you give it a bit of insight, and then it's obvious that you know what you're doing. You don't really have to force it. I think where people go wrong is that they try to compress everything into one video, and they get really excited whenever they're trying to talk about their product, as they should. So they try to explain what they do, who it's for, all of the features, why they're different, and then it just becomes noise and sounds like an ad. No one's going to sit through that, and it's way more effective to just pick one angle and go all in on that. That's what actually gets people's attention. And then once you have that, turning it into content becomes a lot easier, because now you're not trying to sell something, you're just explaining something that you already understand. And I think that's the difference that a lot of people need to start making. Less, how do I promote this? And more, what's something useful that I can say about this? And how will it help people in their everyday? So instead of doing something random, I created a promo for a service business. In this case, I chose Inbox Army, a full service email marketing agency that provides services like email and SMS marketing strategy and campaign management. The goal was simple: a clear hook, explain what it is, who it's for, why it matters, and one clear CTA. Something that they could actually post on TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Here is the exact script that I used. Most businesses think their email marketing is working. It's not. Your emails are going to spam, your automations are outdated, and your campaigns feel like they were built in 2018. So even if you have a big list, you're leaving a lot of revenue on the table. That's where Inbox Army comes in. Inbox Army is a full-service email marketing agency that actually handles everything: strategy and campaign management, email and SMS automation, template design and coding, ESP migration and setup, and deliverability optimization. They don't just send emails, they fix the entire system behind your email revenue. So your emails land in inboxes, look better, convert more, and run automatically. If email is even a small part of your business, it's probably worth fixing. Check out Inbox Army and see what your email should actually be doing. So the structure here is super simple. There's a hook, a problem, a solution, an outcome, and a CTA. This is where I started using Agent Opus. Specifically, their story mode. The idea is you take a script or a voiceover that you provide, and it turns it into a short video that actually keeps the visuals and message consistent. If you just provide a simple prompt, Agent Opus will write a transcript for you that you can edit before generating. So you drop in your script or audio, choose a visual style, add any reference, so a logo, product if needed, and generate. That's it. So what I like here is that it's not trying to overcomplicate things. It's focused on keeping the message consistent, matching visuals to the script, and making something that's actually usable. A few things that I noticed immediately: visuals actually match what's being said, the pacing feels intentional, the captions and music are already handled, and it doesn't feel like a random AI montage. It actually feels like a structured piece of content. And that's where I think this matters. If you're running a service business, selling a product, or just trying to promote something consistently, you don't need an insane production every time. You need speed, clarity, and consistency. This is really useful for quick promos, testing different offers, social content, or even client work if you're running an agency. Now, to be clear, this isn't replacing high-end video production. If you're doing brand storytelling or polished ads, you're still going to want a real editor. But for fast, repeatable content, this is one of the first tools that I've used that doesn't completely fall apart. And the bigger idea here is instead of spending all of your time editing, you can actually focus on your messaging, your offer, and your hook, which is what really drives results anyway. If you want to try it, I'll leave a link in the description below. I'd say just start with something real, your own script, your own idea, and see what you can get out of it. Thanks so much for watching till the end, and be sure to subscribe to the MakerThrive channel if you're interested in AI, automation, and no-code tools. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.